Well, here we are going to be doing a funny face challenge. This is my brother. Okay, not right now, Charles. And
If
this
you
is
don't
my
come over to
sister.
my house and subscribe me,
Okay,
meet me in the
that's
backyard.
not part of the that's not part of the script. Let's just finish it. Okay, I'm gonna start now.
Do what? I call this one the third finger. I look like a bent. Sorry about that. She farted. Here's the thing, though. What's that?
Okay, that's enough of it. We're going to my sister now. Okay, that's not funny. Do something funny. Okay, please subscribe and like. Bye.